thank you for watching. Today we're opening up the Fall Passionistas Project Pack. So this is a seasonal subscription. It is woman owned and all of the items inside come from businesses owned from women. So I think this box is great. The whole idea of it is it's supposed to inspire you to follow your passions. So it costs $54.99 per season. They did provide a coupon code to save 15% off your first box. So I will link them down below along with that code. And in each box you're supposed to get a value between $100 and $150. So let's get this box open. But before we do so, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel. So if you love subscription boxes too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a giveaway going on. I hit 10,000 subscribers, so it's a big thank you. I'm hosting a giveaway, and if you guys have not yet entered, I will leave a link for that at the end of this video so you can check it out next. Open it up. This is what it looks like. Not really a sneak peek. It is wrapped up well in tissue paper. And actually all the items are individually wrapped. I love when boxes do that. Like feels like Christmas kinda. Like Christmas for a kid. And there are all these cards that talk about all of the items, and they talk about the companies and the women who own them as well. They like do like a little Q&A with all of the creators. So we won't go through all of this information because it's a lot, but I think it's great they provide that, and I'll definitely be reading it later. But the first card is intro. It says, welcome to the Fall Passionistas Project Pack. 2020 has been an interesting year for sure, and this fall is most certainly going to prove to be eventful as well. While we will make no attempts to sway anyone's thinking or make any predictions, we know that two things matter more than anything else right now. One, your vote counts, and two, women are the future. Yeah, and then it goes on. But let's just go right into the products. Let's start with this here. So this is a little notepad. It's called Pep Talk, The Power of the Checkbox by Knock Knock Nifty Notes. There's more than 49 sheets, and this is so cute. So you fill it out, and it says to, from, the date, why you need it today. Let's show it to you right there. It says on the back, no one likes to be bummed out, but everybody drags from time to time, and that's why God invented pep talks. Turn those frowns upside down with this paper picker upper, good cheer guaranteed. I love that. I'm all about positive vibes, feeling good, but I'm not gonna lie, I get down sometimes, so anything that could help will definitely be beneficial. And I love that it has, if that didn't work on the very bottom, eat ice cream, take to your bed, hug it out, fake it, punch a pillow, or you're screwed. This is cute. Next. Looks like we have a tote bag. Let me get out of the plastic. So this is by Lisa Congan for Emily McDowell Studios. It says, you are holding your new favorite tote bag, and on it says, women of the world, this is just the beginning. Love that. And I love tote bags like this. You could use this when you're shopping, really for whatever you want. And I love the colors. I love what it says. And it is just open. It's really good material. Like, it's definitely not a cheap one at all. So awesome. This will definitely get a lot of use by me. Next. It looks like we have some jewelry here. This is by Melina Bowen, independent jeweler in Lapidaris. Lapidaris, what's that mean? And this is a little charm. So when you first subscribe, at least in my first box, I got a charm bracelet, and every month you get to add a new charm, and I think that is so great. So let me get this out. It looks like there's like little pearls on it. So there's a little lobster clasp, and then that is the charm. Sorry, it's moving a lot. Hopefully you could see it. It's so cute and dainty. Let's move on to the next item. My cats are coming in. They're hearing all the noise of unboxing. Oh, nice. We have some hand sanitizer. This is Clean Hands Please, eucalyptus and lavender. Has 80% alcohol. Great. Handcrafted in Georgia, and you get 2 ounces in here. We could all use more of this, I am sure. So always happy to get more. We have 2 items left. Oh, I think this is a t-shirt. I totally forgot they asked me what my size was. Awesome. It says Passionistas Persist. I like that it's black. I wear a lot of black. Obviously, I'm just like wearing a black tank top, and the colors, it matches their theme perfectly. Awesome. This is by Gildan Ultra Cotton. Hey. Could always use more t-shirts because, you know, I'm home all the time in loungewear. Perfect. And then the last thing in here feels like it might be a book, but yeah. Awesome. This is called Fashion Jungle by Kathy Ireland and the #1 New York Times best-selling author Rachel Van Dyken. Fashion Jungle invites you into the fast-paced and imaginative world of fashion, addressing important and unfortunate issues that occur within our industry. This sounds so interesting. I can't wait to read this. So, 4 women, 4 very different paths, one incredibly cutthroat world. Welcome to the jungle. As America's sweetheart, Brittany is perceived as a good girl, the sort to bring out a Bible to a photo shoot, only to garner the attention of a most unlikely suitor, until one mistake irrevocably changes both of their lives forever. Fortunately, both now and then, Brittany has a wonderful support system, her tribe. And then it goes on for a while, and the very end says, strap on your stilettos, it's about to get wild. Awesome. I can't wait to read this. This will be a good read. It's pretty thick. That's what she said. Sorry, I can't help it. So this sounds really good. I'm excited to read it. And that was everything. And again, it comes with all of this information. I think it's so great. They give back as well. A lot of these companies, they talk about how. And it tells you how to get involved with the Passionistas community. So when you subscribe, you also become part of their community. They have like a whole Facebook group, and they have weekly Facebook Live chats, and yeah, it looks like they have a lot of stuff, a lot of perks for being a member. So I love that they are all about inspiring you. I feel like it is a great dose of inspiration, and that they support small businesses owned by women. I think that is amazing, and I love that they are stressing the importance of voting. That is very important. So thank you to Passionistas Project Pick for sending this my way. So this is going to be shipped in September, which is just a few days away. So if you're interested in subscribing, again, the link will be down below along with that promo code to save 15%. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me, and thank you so much to our channel members. If you guys are interested in becoming a channel member, there's always a link down below that will let you know all of the perks. I know times are hard, so if you can't join, that is totally fine. Just thank you for being here and watching. That really does help me out, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I love you so much. Please be safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.